Hello, welcome to my vlog. This is Ajay and this is yet another vlog to Uttrakhand. We'll be leaving for Uttrakhand today. It's a church summer Bible camp that will be going on, and you can say it's a bus that has already arrived. And this is my chun. He is also one of the YouTuber. You can definitely subscribe to his channel as well. And yeah, we'll be leaving. We just need to get some batteries, and after that we'll be heading out. Okay, see you then.
But why is that Acha? Oh, I did not know that you have a camera in the front also that you can look by yourself.
Who are you?
My name is... I'm a businesswoman.
And what's your business name?
My business name is Wholehearted. Oh, I did not know that you have a front camera like this.
Shut up. Hello, boy. Fit check. Fit check.
Check. A guy from Manipur.
Please, from top to bottom, fit check.
I'm a farmer. These shoes are from Khopum.
Yeah.
These pants are from Nungba.
Yeah.
Shirt is from None.
Yeah.
This is from Kungreilu Park.
Nice, bruh. Hey, sister. Fit check. Hi. What's your name? Sui. So, what do you expect from the camp?
I didn't hear anything well.
Anything?
Yeah.
So, let's have fun, okay?
Okay.
We're gonna go crabbing also.
Crabbing?
Yeah.
But I don't like crab. Not exactly, but
You don't eat crabs?
no, I don't eat seafood at all.
Oh.
I mean, octopus is an exception.
Would you try crab then?
No, never.
Because crab is not seafood.
Nah, it's still seafood.
Okay, you don't want to try also?
No.
Okay, no problem.
My hair looks like shit, but okay.
No, it looks good on you. I like your bangs.
Thanks.
Yes.
That
guy is really strict, okay?
Yeah, he's the new. He's the next handsome guy of our church. His name is Sattal Bible Summer. So gang, let's get going. Are you still in the mood to poop?
I haven't pooped for today.
And now the whole world knows.
Delete that part.
But I won't.
I didn't like that.
Bro Daniel.
Hi.
Hi. How are you? Come here.
I'm fine. I'm doing good.
What are you gonna do in the camp? Except studying Bible, except having Bible study, what else are you gonna do?
I'm going to join the curriculums, like the activities that we're going to have about CFD.
Okay.
Like,
So will you play games and all?
games.
Do you know how to swim?
Yeah, just I'll play some swimming over there.
You know how to swim?
Yes, I know how to swim.
Nice,
Yes.
nice. But be careful because that's a very dangerous lake. Okay.
Yeah, there is a lot of stones are there, right?
Lots of stones, and yes, you might slip here and there. So. Yes.
Yes.
So let's have fun.
Yes, thank you.
Bye. Useless guy. Yeah, he's still loading. Hi. Who are you?
By the way, she also has. Hey, come please. She also has her own vlog.
Welcome back to your channel. Okay, boy. Brother.
Here's someone look first.
What bill is this?
Just in case.
Thank thing, jangan nih.
So, sister,
Ew, I look so bad.
you look good.
No.
You shine. You shine like the sun.
Shining under the light.
So, gang is gonna have a Lord.
What man is fine? I thought it was some other medicine.
Oh, what we'll do, we'll sit on the back.
Who is in the front?
Bro, this is your special sanction or what? Scheme like
Yeah, special offer.
Who are you, bruh?
The devil on the bus.
You're the Debon.
DI bond.
Develop.
Canada.
Yeah.
My saya pura
My channel.
blogger deh. Approve, authorized, written में दे दिया उसको.
Yep. Expect to see yourselves in my channel, okay?
Today is mean day. No, I'm kidding.
You're gonna be my vlog partner.
Yeah, duh.
Yeah, that's the vibe. I like it. Booster mode on.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh. Yo.
First leg, and then you will be able to spin it.
나는 유튜브를 본다.
Oh, guilty. Some channel does subscribe to there.
Yes.
Try properly. Try with some smile. What the hell? It's my best friend.
Come do the honor.
Namaste.
Okay, I'll do it.
Right.
Vlog हो गया.
Hello, silver.
Chalo, in you go. So we're all set and ready to go.
What's up? Craig Fodder is here.
Yeah, we're going. Chubay. I want to look right now. We're deciding what to. She gave already. Everyone's enjoying their dosa and chole bhature and
Hello guys, it's early morning right now and it's 6 p.m. in the morning. So we have finally reached here in Uttrakhand. It's Sattal Christian ashram. As you can see, the name says over here. Yeah. So we have to go from this side.
I'll be coming home. Then I'll be at your door. When I'll be coming home, I plan to let you know the longing of my heart, the wish I carry high whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes. When I'll be coming home. On my way, when I'll be coming home, I wanna see you play the music of your heart. I'm followed by your light whenever we're apart. It takes me through the night when I look deep into your into your eyes. Oh, when I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes. When I look deep into your eyes.
This is the puppeteer. I love this sister. You having fun? This is our morning meal.
It's raining. I don't like rain. I like sunshine.
What about you? But I don't like rain. You don't like rain? But it's raining. What about you, Pidor?
Sleepy.
Suy ng kiyo. Shitang ha. Oh, so nice. The lighting is so brilliant. Sergi, what are you doing?
Taking the list of number of boys and number of girls for the warden.
More boys this time, right?
Yes, more boys.
Aja, ito miyari ko.
Yeah, why? We have produced another vloggy.
Shut up, vlogger.
Another vloggy.
Shut up, vlogger.
She just came out of nowhere yesterday.
I hatched up on content. Yeah, man. Oh, they've reached. Where is Robert?
Straight the door.
Maggie. This is the bro to the Jinkam. He's got a nice abs.
Showing ass.
He's got a nice tummy.
So curvy. So curvy. Oh my god. Side view. Side view. James Charles.
I'm Mojojo. You know Mojojo?
Purple girl?
No.
Which one?
That Madagascar mein hippo sexy.
Hello, ladies.
Hey.
My name is
What happened?
Mojojo.
Keep going.
Mojo Jojo. ZCF.
Oh my god. This is some boy.
What did you Maggie na?
Today we are here at Sattal Ashram to do our Bible camp for 7 days. We came from New Delhi on the morning of Monday. We started our journey. We started our journey on Sunday night, right? And we came by that car, Force Traveler, right? We came all the way down here. We saw all the beauty of nature, and we thank God for what He's doing. We have had a lot of rain that we didn't have in Delhi. So it's a beautiful time. So it's so now Ram walked up the mountain there where Alu Baba was. Now when he saw Alu Baba, he was like, you know, Baba, I want some Alu. So now, all right, I will. But then, you know who? But then,
I know, but then guy.
Who?
Brother Sattal Bible.
Mr. Alright. Alright.
But then, Alu Baba give Alu. Now, now Ram. So Alu Baba. It was not human. You want it done from birth of chicken? Like that?
And?
Put in a minute. That's it. This is
Wow.
beauty. This is beauty.
Oh my god. Wow, really?
Wow.
팅푸근지. Nice.
Tingdi.
띵디.